All right, so we have another one, a beautiful one in Sulmona. This is right outside the walls. This is not in the old part of Sulmona, but it is just a few steps outside. And this one is definitely a treat. It is the upper floor. There's one more tenant down on the lower floor. There's a shared space in the basement, and there's a cantina or storage. It's pretty big. We can't get to it because the key got lost, and it will have to be opened up by a locksmith. But the size of it is supposed to be fairly good. So that's the only thing we won't be able to see today. But other than that, we're going to go look at the place and give you all the info. So let's go. Come on in. Got a small hallway with a closet for storage, which is nice to have a little wardrobe in the hallway so you can put your jackets, coats, boots, and things in there. We'll have to check if all this is staying, but there's not much more besides this, so I'm guessing it is going to be staying. You're coming in through this way, you get to your main bedroom. So it's got electrics, newer for both sides of the bed. It's got a patio entrance or small balcony that goes to the patio. It's got fly screens already in it, double glazed. So everything's already updated. I think most of the work that you're going to need to do is just run a paintbrush across everything just to give it a fresh look. Other than that, this place is ready to go. The next room over is going to be your living space. So you've got the main road on this side with a small balcony. Kitchen area goes here. Got a little fireplace over here. Your dining area is going to be here. And then the living room is attached to this open kitchen. So going into the living room, it is a bit smaller than the main bedroom. It needs a good little paint job as well. Got the newer style heaters in it, and it has another one of these small balconies, and we'll look at that from the outside here in a second. Okay, so let's get a little look from the roadside so you can kind of see where we're at. So this tiny balcony goes all the way across. When I say tiny, it's like the depth of it is not too much. You may be able to get one chair out here, but I probably wouldn't. It's probably more for like your laundry or something like that. But yeah, this is the main road that comes to this place, and you go down this way or going around this way. So you can go either way to get to it. And it looks like you can park here if you can find a spot. Okay, so we have more. When you get back to the hallway, you go to the main bathroom. And this bathroom is elongated, and it has the shower in the very back. It's a good sized shower. It's got a little window in it, privacy glass, two spots for toilet and bidet. It's got the nice heating element to dry your towels. And the other part that is really nice about this, they've got the washer and dryer or washer hookup. We would probably get a combination machine, you know, where we have washer and dryer all at the same. But this one has the hookup for it, which is really nice. You can get it out of the way. You don't have it anywhere else. Got some cabinets in here. And then you go up this little stair area. And this is what used to be going to the attic space, but they've converted this attic space. So that's some nice stairs. And as you get up here, there is a boiler that's sitting here. You've got an AC unit for underneath here because it's going to get a little warm in the summer underneath the roof. Newly done roof. There's no problems with it. And you go up these little stairs, kind of like an office area where you can get some work done, have a little bit of a view. And then you can go into this side, which would be like an extra guest bedroom or something like that. Again, if you don't know yet, 5'10" roughly, I can go about to right here and I would start bumping my head. If you're shorter, then you have a lot more space to work with, but it's still doable. There's also a little bit of storage in the very back. So the part that is too small for anyone to be able to walk, there's a light in the very back. There's a light switch up here. So the flooring is also in here and everything's new. As you can see, the beams are new. The walls, everything is done very well. So this place is ready to go. There's nothing to do except just put some paint up and a little bit of cosmetic stuff. And then it's also got the second bathroom in this place. So we're gonna have to use our phone light and go in here because the electric's cut off. So this has the same towel heater in here for drying your towels. And then it has a bathtub, which is really cute. It's kind of stuck into the corner here. So you can just chill in here and have a jetted tub and just relax a little bit. It needs a good cleaning. It's been sitting for a little bit. So once it's clean, it's all good to go. You got a toilet in here, nice looking sink. You got a bidet, got a little rack for your clothing. So they use this space really well. It's pretty impressive how they squeezed all this into this little area. Okay, let's go downstairs and check out the balcony and that we were talking about earlier from the living room and bedroom. And then we've got another surprise. Okay, so both of these have access, and again, fly screens in both have access to this, what looks like a balcony, but in reality, it is access to your own little patio, which is really nice. I mean, very nice private little area. It is beautiful. It's got a little sink in the corner. They've got some of this privacy stuff. I don't know if I'm a fan of that privacy stuff, but it depends on what's going on with the rest of the places. It's a good sized space too. I mean, you can put out a grill and a couple of tables and maybe a little seating corner and then just enjoy out here. This is beautiful. And it's right outside the wall. Yeah, so this is, yeah. Wow, this backs up right to dirt. Wow, interesting. Yeah, no. Very cute. So let's talk numbers. So this one is 122 square meters, which is pretty darn good size. It's got listed as 3 rooms, and the total price on this one is 83,000 euros. So this is actually a pretty good deal for this size of a place because you're getting a lot of square footage. You're getting that extra bedroom upstairs. You can have a little office space, and this outdoor space. I mean, that's just nice. You have a quiet little, cozy area. And so we're gonna walk to the old town from here so you can see how far it is. And you can get to this from two different sides. But this is a one-way street. So everybody's coming in this way, but we also entered from another side. So up here is the bridge that you have to usually cross on many different parts to get to the old part of Sulmona. And you can already see up here at the red light, you can already see the older buildings, the outer wall peeking through the greenery. There's one of the old gates to the right. The old part of town right there. So it's pretty close. You're not far away at all from the part where it all happens. And you're in the old part of town that quickly. So there's the main square where all the action is. Right now it's market day, so you're not even 5 minutes away from the old part with the market and where all the action is. And on the other side, you'll see the old viaduct wall and the old church. So that location is pretty darn good. For that size, having your own little patio back there, that's pretty impressive. So that's it for this one. And thanks for all the comments. And don't forget to leave a like, hit that bell so you get notified, and subscribe. It doesn't cost anything. So you'll always get notified of our next video. Until the next one, bye.